You're the good boys or the bad boys, guys? क्या क्या है?
तुम्हें पूछ रहा हूँ।
कौन हाँ? Who is staying at staring at out of those 3 girls? Whoa! What do we have here? It's lunch break, so we are having our tiffin. Can you show your dabba to the camera? Unboxing dabbas.
Neer dosa.
Neer dosa. I love neer dosa. Let's open it. Oh wow, that looks tempting. Oh, that's nice. You don't like medu vada? Why?
Too oily.
Acha, tell me one thing. What's better, dosa or idli?
Dosa.
Idli. Why dosa?
It has flavors.
It has flavors.
The idlis which my mom makes is so smooth.
Smooth idli you like. Which class are you guys in?
We both are 7.
7th standard. 6th standard. Acha, you guys are best friends it seems. Yeah? What do you like about each other?
We share our food. I like to share my food with my friends.
And how does that feel when you share your food?
I feel happy. My friend always brings my favorite food.
What's your favorite food?
Dal,
Dal. You like normal dal? With what?
rice.
Rice. I think dal rice is my favorite thing. Like you can have it anytime you want, wherever you want, whenever you want. And then you add some ghee into it.
How an induction motor starts.
Guys, don't talk. You don't talk. Don't talk.
Do you think you would like to be parents of your own parents? For a day, you are a parent. What will you do with them?
First, I'll take Lati. Making them behave.
After beating the hell out of them.
So one day, if I'm going to be parents, means I want to keep them happy.
What about you?
To pay back the happiness they have given.
Do you like Big Boss?
Yes.
Why do you like it?
Different types of tasks. I like Hindi Big Boss.
Who's your favorite in the Big Boss?
Rajat.
Rajat Dalal. What does he do?
Roastings.
Roastings.
My father will not allow me to watch.
Beating them Lati.
Okay, what's your favorite game to play?
Which game?
Any game.
Outdoor game or indoor?
Indoor game.
Indoor. In mobile or indoor game? Statue game.
Statue game. Statue. Shoot over, we'll go. They'll play. Bye. Yes, she lost. I saw you. You lost. What's your name?
Tejas. Naveen.
Naveen. What was that? What's your name?
Naveen.
What's your name?
Shalini.
Shalini. That's a beautiful name. Will you ever go to a Big Boss house?
Never.
Would you go to a Big Boss house?
No.
Why?
It is like BP house. We'll get BP.
What? What did you just say?
BP house.
BP house? Why, man? Why is it a BP house?
They will be fighting. We'll also get irritated and we'll also fight. We'll get BP automatically.
What about you?
They will only take celebrities.
What if you become celebrities after this podcast?
I'll not go.
But what if they're giving you 1 crore rupees?
You said I'll become celebrity, no? Then why I should take 1 crore? Bro, इसका बोलते हैं Riz.
So Big Boss is not Big Boss house, it's BP house. Like Vijay Anna or Allu Anna?
Vijay.
So good about Vijay Anna.
Tamil actor.
Tamil actors you like. You don't like Kannada actors. Which is better, Pushpa or KGF?
Pushpa.
Why? Because of Allu Arjun?
Yes. Guys, can 2 of you, 3 of you sit there? You also. I like fights.
You like violence?
Yes.
Why? Is there something wrong with you? No. What is better, comedy or violence?
Comedy.
Comedy is better. What about you?
Violence.
Tell me Pushpa 1 versus Pushpa 2. What was better?
Pushpa
1. Why was Pushpa 1 better?
Srivalli.
For Srivalli. You like Srivalli? No, why?
What will Allu Arjun Anna say? Yaar, he's watching this video.
Achha, you tell me, if you have to make your own movie, what will that be about? And what would be the title of that movie?
Annabelle. Oh, Annabelle.
I'm gonna give some thrill movie about some secret organization.
Secret organization. And what will be the name of the movie?
Secret.
What do you think? Like, a school is a place where you can be yourself or not be yourself.
Not being yourself? Why?
Teachers beat me during violence.
Can you give me a school gossip?
The principal.
Are you all afraid of principal?
Everybody is afraid.
Everybody. Whole school.
Why he was punishing you?
Raise our hands.
2 minutes.
2 periods.
2 periods.
45, 90 minutes. No?
That's a lot.
ये डर मुझे अच्छा लगा.
What do you guys hate about each other?
He'll be digging his nose every day.
Can you demonstrate?
Hey, no, don't. He's doing it.
He's doing it, man. Which do you think is the best country in the world?
India. India.
Why India?
Because so many cultures.
You like the culture. What about you?
It is our own motherland. India is my country.
If you become the prime minister of this country, what will you do?
I'll blast Pakistan.
Why don't you like Pakistan?
They didn't behave correctly with us.
That's why. Don't like Pakistan, the country, or the cricket team?
I don't like their country only.
Not even the team?
Team also no.
What about you? What will you do?
In hospital, if anyone will die, they will take amount means fees no for to save them. So I'll reduce them.
Wow, that's a nice one. You know who's the president of India?
Yes, Draupadi Murmu.
That is the right answer. Acha, which is your favorite Indian cricket player?
Virat Kohli is very smart and he plays nice cricket and from him only many times we won the match.
Right.
But is it fine when he curses on the pitch?
No.
What about you? What are your percentages?
3.
93%. What about you?
91%.
I was absent for
You were absent for the test. How much do you want to score in your 10th standard?
99.
99.
I will do it.
You will do it. Yeah. Cheers, man. Cheers. I'm so proud of you. Which is your favorite topic, subject?
Science.
What about you?
Nothing. Why?
I don't like to study.
How much did you score last year?
Maybe 96.
Music.
You don't like to study, and that's why you scored 96%.
I studied at 180.
How much percentage did you get?
97. 97. तुम सबको 97 मिला है. All three of you.
You're a backbencher?
Yes.
Oh.
A topper studies for a month, for a week, but we study for 1 day. We get what's the use of studying for 1 weekend? Studying for
You have to study? No. How much did you score last year?
97.
What is happening here, man?
How do we remember stuff as kids? What do you think?
Understanding the topic.
So we shouldn't do ratta? What
I understand in class that I read. They'll give marks. That's all.
Are you backbenchers or like frontbenchers?
Backbench. Middle.
Middle. Can backbenchers be the toppers of the class?
Yes.
How?
They have more brain than toppers. We can enjoy in last bench. We can study also when we want. In combined period, where we want, we can sit. In lunch break, all our friends can be seated together.
Do you like backbenchers?
No.
No, why?
In my class, boys students, I hate them.
Wow, he's not in your class. Would you want him in your class?
गजब बेइज्जती है. She also don't want. I also don't want to come in that class.
ईट का जवाब पत्थर से. What is the weirdest thing about backbenchers?
They are very smart than front benches.
Frontbenchers.
Front benches look like small babies. They listen like this. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Like that. Back benches not like that. Okay, ma'am. That's all.
He's right? Is he right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you spell anything that I say? Pelby? Can we play?
Yes.
The word is ecstatic.
EXTATIC.
Wrong.
SEATICS.
CS? I said ecstatic.
TIC.
Correct. Can we clap, man?
Oh, awesome, man.
I think his nose is directly connected to his brain. So he puts his finger inside his nose and it reaches his brain and he plays along with it.
Okay, next question. Comprehensive. Oh, you did it. You did it.
COMPRE.
No. नहीं. Comprehensive.
COMPREHENSIVE.
Let's go. Perfect. Can we clap for her? Nice. Skibidi. That was you.
SKIBID.
हाँ, ये बराबर आता है इसको. Last question. Riz.
RIZE.
Wrong.
RIZZE.
RIZZ.
What?
RIZZ.
Yeah. Selection हो गया आपका. Should we have a tiebreaker?
Yes.
Gradida.
Which language is
The last question, it's going to be very tough. Obnoxious.
I don't know. What?
You did it, huh? If you say it wrong, we will cut your marks. Obnoxious.
XIOS.
Yeah! Oh, the winner of the spell bee competition is Vikram. How are you feeling, man?
Yeah, I feel great.
What do you prefer, Shinchan or Doraemon?
Shinchan.
Shinchan?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Shinchan is only better.
But Doraemon is a good person, no? He gives you powers. If Doraemon appears out of nowhere, which gadget would you ask from him?
When he appears, I'll ask.
I'm afraid of asking you questions, man. Okay, किसको चाहिए punishment? किसको दौड़ना है नीचे? Yeah.
What do you watch?
Shinchan.
What is your obsession with the Shinchan? He's so naughty.
Doraemon. I should become like him. I should become Doraemon.
Innovative though.
Anywhere. Where would you want to go?
2,000 years back.
1,000 years back, you want to come and do what?
What animals was not there, I'm going to see.
Oh, you like animals. Oh, do you think dinosaurs were real?
Fill your pocket and get
Noisy.
Sometimes human beings are very devil.
Yes. Humans. They put makeup and come.
They are not ready for them. Do you think boys should apply makeup?
There is no rule that only girls should apply now.
It's natural, like, if they're natural, it's enough, right? Why do you have to?
You're the good boys or the bad boys, guys? क्या कह रहे हैं?
तुम्हें पूछ रहा हूँ.
कौन? Huh? Who is staring at out of those three girls? Naughty! Skibbity pop pop pop. I'm asking him questions and he's looking at the girl. What do you think? Are you good boys or bad boys? After what you just did? Yeah, tell me. Good. Green flag quality. What is your positive quality?
He's thinking about, he already don't know about himself. Very good. Ask your best friend what he must be doing.
What is one learning that you have gotten from your parents?
How to make money.
How to make money?
Go for job, earn money, come.
Respect.
She balances him somehow.
What about you?
To be independent.
Oh wow.
To learn discipline and study.
Wow. What's more important, happiness or peace?
Peace.
What is the difference between happiness and peace?
Being happy makes us only happy for 1 day, 1 month. That's all. Peace make us every day happy.
The Naval Ravikant of my generation. Do you think boys should be soft towards the world or should they be hard? Soft. Why?
If we be soft, they'll be hard. If they're soft, we should be hard.
What makes you angry?
My brother.
What about you?
Brother.
If anyone will tell lie, no?
Tell lies.
Yes. How you will get there saying lies to you?
We'll get to know, no?
How? No, you say how you will get there saying lies.
We'll get to know. That's
How?
what matters.
That only you say. How? I'll also get to
Not
know.
necessary.
Now you say.
VP house is already started. Do you know any quotes? Motivational quotes?
I am the one who writes. But I'm
Talent beats discipline.
What?
What do you think should be the syllabus of a good school?
Games.
Maybe about some kindness. How to live
How to live a life? Wow. What do you think? How to live a happy life?
by being happy.
By being happy. That's beautiful. What about you?
Yeah, like some type of kindness.
Make money, be happy.
What do you don't like about front benchers?
They irritate us. Hey, you should study this. Don't talk. Be quiet. They'll irritate us like that.
And who's the class monitor in your classes?
Me.
You are the class monitor? किसने बनाया इसको? और तू पीछे बैठता है? Would you want him to be your class monitor?
I am there. No need of another.
This is fighting.
What is one thing that keeps you happy throughout the day?
Friends.
Friends are enough. Friends are everything.
Friends and family. That's all.
Friends, family.
Friends and family.
क्या sorted जिंदगी यार. Beautiful. Taking stress is also important for us or not?
If you're so happy, why we should take stress?
Then why do people take stress?
Don't know. We should ask them. I don't take stress.
But you're giving me a lot of stress, man.
In our life, everything should be equal. Stress, happiness, peace, everything. So
Beautiful.
Then why money you need more?
Do you think we will be more stressed if we get more amount of money?
Yes. If more money, we get more tensions. Money, happiness. More money, no happiness. Happiness need means money there. No happiness, no money.
Oh my God! Wow, beautiful. Do you want to say anything to the world who's watching you, who wants to learn something from you? What would you say?
always silence is not ego.
Wow, silence is not ego. Beautiful.
To show mercy, to help others.
Beautiful.
When you do something, keep it in your mind because karma returns again to you. If they do, they'll get karma.
Go soft, people. Go soft.
Thank you so much, boys and girls. That was beautiful. मजा आया बातें करके? Thank you. So thank you so much for watching our video. Please do subscribe. I know लाखों लोग, हजारों लोग ये वीडियो देखते हैं, but सब्सक्राइब बहुत कम लोग कर रहे हैं. तो प्लीज करना. प्लीज टेल देम टू सब्सक्राइब गाइस. कुछ जस्ट किडिंग विद सर. एक साथ बोलो 1 2 3 जस्ट किडिंग.